What's up, what up? It's your boy Adonis. We're gonna work today on a kill switch and a battery drain cut. So it's gonna cut, if your battery's getting drained overnight, this is gonna help with that. And also it's gonna be kill switch so nobody can steal your car. So if you have an important car that you don't want to get stolen, it's a perfect thing for you. And it comes with a remote. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. What I got is a kill switch. It's remote controlled, so the car will not have no power when this is on. And then you turn it off when you want to start your car and give your car power. Perfect for people that want to steal your car, and perfect if your battery gets drained overnight like this car. The battery keeps draining, and I don't feel like tinkering with all the wires. So, yeah, it's basically plug and play. All you gotta do is disconnect the terminals over here, the positive and the negative. Then you're gonna put this on the positive, and then you put the bottom end on the negative. I read the instructions. This is gonna be a quick video because I got a lot of stuff I gotta do today, but I'm gonna try to put the camera somewhere, and then you guys are gonna see what I'm doing. It does come with instructions. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna grab this side right here. You guys see that? Then you're gonna put the copper. You're gonna screw this copper on it. Okay. Like so. There you go. That's the first step. Take off the negative terminal. This is the negative, the black is the negative, and then you're going to connect this whole kit. There. That's basically how it's going to go. So install this box. Tighten all these bolts afterwards. For now, I'm just gonna put them on like that. I might have to move that terminal somewhere else because this negative has to go over there. So we're gonna figure that out. Just in case my phone falls, this will catch it. Alrighty then. Now you got a better angle. I had to take the air box out. So if you have a Honda Vision, you might need an aftermarket intake. Just letting you know. Might be able to fit the stock intake back on. We'll find out in a minute. But for now, we're gonna have to run it like this. I don't mind running a aftermarket intake anyways because it's a lot better. So now you can see it can reach. See, that's what we need. We need this negative terminal to reach that copper terminal, and now it can. So this is where this is going to be. This is where we gotta tighten all these stuff like this. This is nice and snugged for now. This is going to go to the positive. I gotta tighten all these bolts. But yeah. Let me tighten all this stuff down. Okay, so what size is this? Like it's a 14. No, 13. Got a lot easier with my sockets, but I'll do this with regular basic tools for you guys so you can see you guys can do it. Make sure this is nice and tight. Okay. Make sure it does not leave anywhere. One more little turn. There. So this is not going nowhere. Now we gotta sign these. These are 10s. That gotta be 10s. Let me see. Yep. Sign these real quick. Just hold the box because you don't want to break it. 10's a 10. You don't need to tighten it crazy. Let's snug it. It's nice and snugged. This has got to be a 14 or a 12. Let's see, this is a 12. Let's tighten that. Snug. See, all of it is not moving now, so that's all good. Now this. Make sure this is nice and tight. What size is that? Let's see. It's a 14. So now we're going to have to go. So, okay, should be fine. Put this in here like this. Okay. Once it's on there, then you can tighten it. What size is this? It's the wrong size. Of course, I'm losing my tools. This is a 13, so you're going to need a 13, 14, a 12, and a 10. And as you can see, this is on. I don't like that because that copper is moving, so let me loosen this back up, and we're gonna find the correct size for that copper and tying it, because I don't like that this is getting loose, and that has to be like a 17. So let me go find a 17. So this is a 19. Tying it just like that. So now I'll put this negative back on. Make sure it's on. Good. Where's mine? There it is. There we go. So that everything's nice and tight. Everything's on there. So now we got this red wire. This is going to go with the positive. This is the positive of your car. And you see there's already another wire there. I don't know what that goes for. It goes right there. We're going to try to loosen the screw completely out so we could put this with the positive. That's there already. So what we're going to do with this, dang, this is already broken, whatever this is. So what we're going to do is put this in there first. Then we'll go ahead and put that one on. Okay, like that. Screw the screw on. Really don't know what the other wire is for, to be honest with you guys. So, but we're gonna keep it there because it was on the car when I got it. So I don't want to mess anything up. So let's just keep everything together like that. Put it on. This might have to hit it down or something like that, so it could be on there. Then you grab a wrench. This is a 13. Hold the wires in place. There you go. Well, they don't like that, so I'm gonna try to fix this, straighten this out a little bit. I don't know what this does again, but might be something important, so try to make sure this gets on there right, you know. Try this again. Come on. There you go. Tuck in. Might have to just replace that completely, to be honest. Redo that wire, because I don't know what that does, to be honest. Obviously, we know what the red wire does. I'm talking about the one that came with the car, so I might just end up redoing that another day. Take that broken piece out. But for now, let's get this done already. Just want to make sure I have a good connection. My phone's about to fall. My phone's about to fall. There we go. And that is tight. And both wires are secured, as you guys can see. Better. everything should be done now. It does come with remotes. Alright, so let's see if this works. We should hear a noise when I press this on. You heard that? And then you're off. So let's turn it on. Let's go to my car, or truck. And I want to see if I'm getting power. Ugh. Oh, I am getting power. So let's put off. Let's turn it off. See how the power dies? So off is to take out all the power from the vehicle. Now you turn this on and the power is back on. Don't mind that. That's because I haven't turned on the car and this car has battery draining issues. I have to start this thing. So I started out the car real quick before my battery dies. But showing you guys real quick. I'm gonna turn it off now. I just want to turn it on so the battery won't die. So again, let's say you're leaving your house now. Turn on. I mean off. Boom. No power to the car now. You want to now? If I even try to crank the car, so you guys can see, put the key in the fob. Nothing. Look. Nothing. Right. So now, on. I don't mind that. It's like that. It's like I said, my battery drainage. And then I turn on. Car's on. Turn it off. Off. That's dope. That's really dope. I like that. So freaking cool, bro. So freaking cool. We just installed a kill switch / battery drainer, anti-draining battery to the vehicle. Leave a like down below, guys, if you appreciate this video. This is literally a how-to, so I literally showed you guys how to do it. Lost my wrench down there. I gotta grab it. Come here, wrench. Got it. Put my little towel here so nothing can fall. The thing has a brand new alternator already. Battery brand new. Kill switch. Axle from the back. Can't wait to clean this car, detail it. Man, it's gonna be amazing. Can't wait. Can't wait. I hope you guys liked the video. It's really very important, especially people that have like Supras or Scat Packs or Chargers, RTs, Hemis, whatever it is, and people just steal their cars all the time. Even Hondas, bro. I know there's a lot of Hondas. Hondas get stolen more often than any other car. If you didn't know that, do your research. But hope this video helps any of you guys that have battery drain issues or you just want to protect your car from thieves. This perfect kill switch will protect your car from thieves. One thing I gotta do now is fit that air box back in there. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to see any music that I post, it's ZZ Adonis is my other channel, or Spotify, Apple Music, ZZ Adonis for my music. Anyways, thanks for watching. Okay, I just took the bottom half of the intake, put a ratchet strap for now, just so I could drive it now. I might still keep the stock intake if I don't get an aftermarket one. I'll eliminate the ratchet strap that's holding the air filter underneath. Still has an air filter. So yeah, it's cool. I'll be gold.